The best web hosting. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at some of the best web hosting services out there. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now in this video I'm going to be taking a look at all of the major and some of the best web hosting services out there. We're going to be taking a look at their features, the pricing, and overall how easy it is to use. So let's get into it. So these are going to be very similar to each other. So the main difference is going to be which one of them is the best bang for your buck. Basically, that's going to be it, because most of these services offer the exact same services, the exact same connectivity, the exact same hostings, and everything else. Sometimes they give an edge, but main difference is going to be the pricing. So we're going to be focusing on all of them. So the first one that I think deserves a number one spot is Hostinger. Hostinger is pretty popular right now, and they provide a bunch of different services, and the domains that they also provide are some of the cheapest ones out there, even rivaling Namecheap when it comes to domains. It's one of the best ones out there, and it's super cheap. You can get started with easily, and there always a sale going on Hostinger, either 40%, 50%, sometimes even 80%. As you can see right here, 80% off on web hosting right now. You can get free domain website migrations. You can run WordPress or other CMSs, fully managed web hostings, 24 hours chat support, only for $249 per month. Plus, you also get 2 months extra time as well. That is such a great offer. You can see other ones as well, but it's so cool. It is one of the best ones out there, and they provide tons and tons of features. Like you can see in this preview one, you can create up to a maximum of 25 websites. This is going to be $7.99 per month, but if you go with the annual option, it's going to cost you $249. You're going to be able to save 80% off, so which is a pretty awesome deal in my opinion. You get 25,000 monthly visits guaranteed, so the site won't slow down or break down if a number comes close to 25,000. 25 gigabytes of storage, 400,000 files and directories. So I can just name them on and on and on again, but you get the idea. They provide a bunch of different services for a very cheap price. Their website builder is also pretty cool. We come over here and it's pretty simple, but this one is going to be, of course, extra. All right. This one is going to be different. If you go into hosting and you go into web hosting, it's going to be different. Each pricing is going to be different from other ones because they provide a bunch of different services. So keep that in mind. So now you know how much it costs. You can see right here, this is the cost right here. Moving on, I have Bluehost. Bluehost is very similar to Hostinger. The reason why I don't put it number one is when it comes to domains, it is a little bit pricey. Domains are a little bit weird over here, but the web hosting is very similar, if not cheaper. You can see it's $299 per month. You can save 75% instead of 80%, but you can see it does give you a very similar experience. Everything else is going to be very, very similar. Although I would say that, when it comes to websites, here they lack. So basically, you can see right here, for this amount of money in this premium package, you get 25 websites and you get more storage as well. Whereas over here, you get 10 gigabytes, even though it's NVMe, which is pretty fast, but still 10 gigabytes and 10 websites, ideal for 40K visitors. So more visitors are going to be over here as well. Free domain, that's fine. Pro email free trial. I don't think they provide that. Yeah, they do give you a free domain, which has a value of up to $10, but I don't think they provide the pro email free trial, but that's only free trial. They don't give you that for full, so keep that in mind. But yeah, very similar, but as you can see, it does lack a little bit when it comes to feature wise and the bang for the situations. That's why I put it in number 2. At number 3, I have Ionos. Now this one is also pretty similar to the other ones, but right now it has a sale which is pretty cool, 91%, which is insane. $1 per month for a whole year. That's like $12. All right. And you get unlimited websites, unlimited storage, unlimited data sets, enhanced CPUs and MEM resources, which means it's going to be fast. It's going to be able to, keep up with the large number of visitors. So you can see over here, optimize up to 200 visitors per minute on your websites. So keep that in mind. They also give you a free domain for a year. I don't know the value. I think it should be very close to $10. But yeah, You get wildcard SSL, professional email, unmetered bandwidth, one click. So you can see they do give you a bunch of different features just for $1. But the reason why I don't pick it over other ones is because Ionis, sometimes the domains that you are looking for might not get them over here, because some of the pricings can be a little bit more expensive, but you know what it is. And I would say that sometimes the connectivity issues. I'll show you a website which goes over all of this in detail, so don't worry. But yeah, that's why I put it over here. And then I have a few more which I will show you right now. But yeah, the 3 website hostings that I would say is the best right now, that give you the most value and that are easy to use and everything else. And number 1, I do believe it's Hostinger, then Bluehost, and then Ionis. There are other options as well if you want, such as HostGator and even GoDaddy. They also provide you with web hosting, but that's only as a domain, but they do give you a good deal. But yeah, and some of the honorable mentions that I would say is Namecheap, just simply because, as the name suggests, it has cheaper domains and the hosting itself is actually pretty simple. They work with easy WordPress. So when you get a hosting, you can choose with WordPress and you'll go to easy WordPress and they'll give you the easy WordPress hosting. It's also pretty simple and easy to use. So for example, if you come over here underneath hosting, you get shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and everything. If you click on WordPress hosting, you can see pricing plans and different, but here you can see it's easy WordPress, right? So if you click over here, the pricing, it's a little bit expensive. You can see right here, starter, 10 gigabytes and 50K monthly visitors, free CDN, free SSL, and automatic updates. Other than that, you get a bunch of other stuff as well, like if you wanted to, like 50 gigabytes and all of that, but that's for the easy turbo one. But it is a little bit expensive compared to the other ones, and the features aren't really there. But if you are looking for a decent one, Namecheap is good to go. Another one is GoDaddy. This one as well, very similar to Namecheap. It's not expensive, it's not cheap. So compared to the other ones, like their pricings are better, but it is what it is. This is just an example if you don't want them or somehow have an issue, although you shouldn't. But yeah, in my opinion, Hostinger, Bluehost, and Ionis are the top 3. And I also checked out some of the other websites like this one where they are also picking the top best one right here. Ionis, Hostinger are the top ones. Bluehost is also over here. There's also A2 web hosting, but I don't know. For me, Bluehost, Hostinger, and Ionis. And the other one is this one right here. Also picking up Hostinger, Bluehost, Ionis as number 1. You can see right here. So a lot of people agree with this sorting. So there you go. These are some of the best hosting services out there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And also let me know in the comment sections which hosting are you going to be using. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.